Hello, um, my name is Chris, and today I'm talking about an article that I found in a publication by Human Services that deals with aging out of foster care. And I specifically wanted to hone into the part where they mentioned what they're going to be doing about human trafficking of children, specifically foster children, aging out of the system. This article has a section on human trafficking. In here, they discuss what the foster child who ages out will need, because many times when they age out at 18, they're ejected onto the street, and they have no family, they have nowhere to go, and they have no resources, and they have no skills on how to survive or what to do once they are independent and 18. The foster families receive no more money at 18, so they get rid of the child. And unfortunately, if the child had not been taken in the first place, it would have been with the natural family and most likely still enjoying being with that family past 18. So here's some more things that they're talking about here. I'm just going to kind of buzz through here. There's a section. They don't talk a lot about it, which is kind of I almost want to say upsetting, because it is such a large problem. A lot of these children, once they do age out, here it is, right here. This is the only thing that they have in there, is that the most recent major federal legislation with implications for older youth in foster care transitioning to adulthood is the Preventing Sex Trafficking and Strengthening Families Act, passed in 2014. The law calls attention to the risks of the children and youth, especially those who run away or have a history of sexual abuse or physical abuse or neglect, becoming a trafficking victim. And in parentheses, it's the Child's Defense Fund, 2015. So I'm not really aware of exactly what they're going to do, but it's a really small part of this large paper. So I will be calling more attention to it and pulling more articles up. I just think it's really important to call attention to it. And this will be one of many videos I hope to do for everyone in the future. And I guess please comment and share any thoughts you might have, anything you want to learn. I'd be more than happy to look into it and provide you with the information for it. Thank you.